everyone. Health and safety aren't glamorous topics, but they are the most important. Your professionalism will shine through when guidelines are respected, so let's see the best ways to keep everyone safe. Innovation and safety have been at the center of the Loreal Group from the beginning. In 1909, chemist, entrepreneur, and Loreal founder Eugène Schueller invented the first safe hair color for women. That same year, skin allergy tests began. For color and lightening products, there are always two parts: safety instructions and the Allergy Alert Test. All of Loreal's products come with safety instructions. Wear disposable gloves during the preparation, no metallic tools like clips, combs, or bowls. Follow the recommended development time. Always keep out of reach of children. Use the recommended oxidants. Use the indicated proportions. Avoid contact with the skin and eyes. Rinse hair well after application. These are just a few of the safety measures you'll need to take. Fully read the notice that comes with the product to know the others. For pre-lighteners, always check the scalp for scratches or itchiness. Never use 40 volume oxidant on the scalp, and never use heat to speed up the process. For highlights, never use 40 volume oxidant for enclosed techniques. Overall, never use oxidant greater than 40 volume. And be sure not to use heat while product is applied. The Allergy Alert Test must be done 48 hours before the hair appointment. Prepare the text mixture. Always small but equal amounts of colorant and developer on a small plate and mix. Do not use metal utensils. Carefully reseal the colorant and developer containers. Apply a small amount of the test mixture evenly in a thin layer on an area of 2 by 2 on the inner side of the forearm. Leave the test mixture applied for 45 minutes without covering or touching. Avoid contact with clothes. Wash the test area with water after 45 minutes and pat dry with a clean tissue. If the client notices any changes on the skin, such as itching, redness, swelling on and around the test area during the 45 minutes or during the following 48 hours, do not use the product and consult a doctor. If there's no reaction, you can apply the hair color. When done correctly, the Allergy Alert Test is a reliable way to avoid risk. But it's still possible to have an allergic reaction to hair color even after a negative allergy test. If you have any doubts, please consult a doctor. In fact, the Allergy Alert Test has evolved. In the past, the mixture was applied behind the ears for 48 hours instead of on the forearm for 45 minutes. These changes make the test easier for you and for your client, so there's no excuse not to do it. If you want to stay in business, you've got to stay safe. So respect your clients, your employees, and yourself. It will elevate the quality of your work and will help to make sure you stay in business.